What's going on, good people? Ebbs here, Mr. Remote Life. So I got a quick and short one for you today for this week's video. I need your help. So, confession time. I never finished this closet. So, let's discuss it. All right, so we now know what's been going on. This wall has been neglected for over a year now. It's because I've been busy. I've had a lot of projects, and I'm really working on a major project right now. I'll give you guys a peek of what's going on. It's just a still shot of some progress that I had. So it's going to be a fun video for you guys to see. But we're talking about this. This closet, I've actually ran out of ideas or never really sat down to take the time to think about what I want to do with this closet. So you guys were with me when I did the install on this box. Let's not break it. And doing all the cabling and wiring and stuff. So originally I was going to have amp hookups with Ethernet and HDMI and all that other good stuff, just sitting in the wall with the control unit for fan ventilation for any electronics we have in here, because we do have our video, well, not a video, but our Unify Dream Wall system down here. We're gonna actually put that here in the closet. It's gonna go here. We already know it's gonna go there because I can just route the cables back through and then put like a plate here to protect for nails or whatnot. So that's just all in the process. But I'm thinking about doing either a slat wall system or basically doing drywall and then just building out shelving with LED lights and stuff, because we don't want to use this type of lighting whenever we need to come in here. But I need some ideas, and that's why I'm reaching out to you guys. I'm gonna put a poll on Instagram, Mr. Remote Life, if you're not following me on Instagram, and also you can drop it down below what your ideas would be. We definitely need to do some reorganization of the cables, do some cable cleanup. I don't want to do this. I'm thinking about doing an in-wall amp unit. I do have that. It's kind of cool, and it'll tie along with the control system I want to use in this house too. Really cool idea I have with that. So we probably integrate that with whatever decision we go with. But I really need some solid ideas. I want it to be different, but also want it to be functional. So I need some type of storage for like parts and stuff. And then too, we're gonna add like a 3-channel sound bar to go under the TV, because we have 2 speakers in the ceiling down here. So that'll kind of give me my 5-channel surround. Don't necessarily need subs down here, but if I need to, I'll probably do an in-wall sub. That'll be cool too. The Apple TV, that'll go in the same box as the amp, so that in-wall unit. So yeah, and that way we won't have a lot of stuff just sticking out of the wall. So we will still have the ventilation control on the wall, and we probably just stick that up here and have to relocate this temperature sensor for it. But that's easy. But we're not gonna go with the traditional amp like we got down there. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do something a little more sleek and slimline. I don't want to see the technology, but I just want the technology to be there, if you get what I'm saying. So that's it for today. I know it's a short video, but I'm actually needing your help. So if you would, please, if you haven't already, if you want to follow along with this build process, because we're going to get this done, because I'm tired of looking at it and I want to put the door back up, and we need to paint this room too. So can't leave it like this forever, guys. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, drop your thoughts below, follow me on Instagram. I'll put a poll up, and we'll go from there. Let's get it done. So check out this, what I got going on here on this current project. We're out of here. Peace.